You are tossing a banana peel into a trash can without a second thought. But did you know that humble bin has a wild history, some serious science, and even a little cultural swagger behind it? Yeah, trash cans are not just for garbage. They are a story of human ingenuity, and today, we are diving deep into the science of trash cans. Stick around, because by the end, you will never look at your garbage the same way again. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about something you probably do not think about until it is overflowing the trash can. I mean, it is just there, right? Holding our junk, keeping the streets clean, maybe stinking a little. But there is so much more to it. From ancient garbage piles to high-tech bins that sort your trash for you, these unsung heroes have a story to tell. We are going to explore where trash cans came from, how they have evolved, why they matter in different cultures, and even drop some mind-blowing facts that will make you the trash-talking champ at your next dinner party. So grab a snack, hopefully not something you are about to throw out, and let us get into the science of trash cans. Okay, let's rewind way back. Trash cans did not just pop up one day with a fancy lid and a foot pedal. Nope, humans have been dealing with garbage since, well, forever. In ancient cities like Rome or Mesopotamia, people just tossed their waste into the streets or piled it up outside town. Gross, right? But things started changing around the 19th century. In England, during the Industrial Revolution, cities were growing fast, and so was the trash problem. Edwin Chadwick, this public health hero who said, "Hey, maybe we should not live in filth." His ideas pushed for organized waste collection, and that is when we started seeing actual bins for garbage. The first real trash can as we know it. Credit goes to a UGM Ni Poubelle. Yep, that is his name in 1880s Paris. He mandated these metal containers for household waste, and the French still call trash cans poubelles after him. Talk about leaving a legacy. So, from those basic metal buckets, trash cans have come a long way. By the 20th century, we got lids to keep the stink in and animals out. Then plastic hit the scene in the 1960s, making them lighter and cheaper. But the real globe that is happening now. Take Japan, for example. They have got trash cans with sensors that open the lid when you wave your hand. No touching, no mess. And in places like Germany, recycling bins are color-coded and so efficient you feel guilty if you mix up your paper and glass. But the wildest innovation: smart trash cans. These bad boys can sort your waste, compact it, and even tell you when they are full via an app. Cities like San Francisco are testing solar-powered bins that crush trash down to save space. Science fiction? Nah, it is science fact. Oh, and do not sleep on the foot pedal. That was a game changer back in the day. Hands-free trash tossing. Revolutionary. Here is where it gets fun. Trash cans are not just practical. They are cultural icons. In the US, think of those big wheeled bins you drag to the curb every week. They are like a rite of passage for homeowners. But travel somewhere like India, and you will see a totally different vibe. Street vendors might use makeshift bins, and community cleanups are a big deal. Trash cans there are less about tech and more about teamwork. And do not get me started on Oscar the Grouch from Sesame Street. That trash can. It is not just his home. It is a symbol of finding value in what others throw away. Trash cans even sneak into our art and stories. In some places, they are even political. Ever heard of bin wars in the UK? Neighbors fighting over whose bin is whose. It is peak drama. All right, time for some trashy trivia to blow your mind. Did you know the average American throws out about 4.9 pounds of trash a day? That is like tossing a small dog's worth of garbage daily. Here is another one. The world's largest trash can is in Florida, 40 feet tall, built as a roadside attraction. You cannot even use it, but it is Instagram gold. Oh, and ever wonder why some bins have holes in the bottom? It is not a design flaw. It is to let rainwater drain out, so they do not turn into trash soup. Clever, huh? Last one. Raccoons are basically trash can ninjas. Studies show they can solve complex locks to get in. Respect the hustle. So, there you have it. The science of trash cans is way more than just a place to dump your junk. It is history, innovation, culture, and a little bit of weirdness all rolled into one. Next time you toss something out, give that bin a little nod. It has been on a journey to get to you. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I had a blast digging into this trashy topic, and I hope you did too. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you do not miss out on more quirky science adventures. Drop a comment below. What is the weirdest thing you have ever thrown away? Let's get trash talking. That is it for today, folks. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious, stay awesome, and maybe take out the trash while you are at it. See ya.